Hi friends, welcome to my channel Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pratim. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can prepare a homemade organic hair oil that will keep your hair naturally black. Yes friends, not only that, this oil will prevent your hair from premature graying. It will protect your hair from damage caused by daily use and wear and tear. Again, it will protect the protein loss on your hair and thus help your hair grow longer and healthier. It will help your hair to it will protect your hair rather from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Not only that, it will help you to get rid of dandruff and all the other problems that come along with dandruff, and it will promote hair growth. So friends, this friend I can understand that it has a lot of benefit for your hair. So what do you want more? So friends, this hair oil is really awesome and awesome. So I would request you that you please prepare this oil. It won't cost you much and it won't take much time like other hair oils. So friends, let's move on and see that how we can prepare this organic hair oil. To make the hair oil, we have taken 1 bowl of curry leaf. Now curry leaf promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying of hair and acts as a hair revitalizer. Now take 1 bowl of fresh neem leaf. Now neem leaf has great antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the scalp from fungal infection and heat boils and rashes. Now take keshushree or kesuth leaves. Now these leaves prevents the hair from premature graying and makes hair black. It is a very good thing to make your hair black. Now add to it a bit of sesame oil or tel to make a paste. We can't add water to it, so we have added sesame oil. We have made the paste. Now take a thick iron pan, switch on the gas and add to it about 150 ml of sesame or tel oil. Add again 150 ml of coconut oil. When the oil is heated, now add to it the paste of curry, neem and keshushree leaves. Now friends, you have to go on stirring the oil. You have to keep the gas in sim mode and go on stirring the oil. You can see that some foam is forming. Now you have to go on stirring until the foam vanishes. You have to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now we have already covered 5 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will switch off the gas and let it cool down. Now friends, 2 minutes are over. We have switched off the gas. As you can see, the color of the oil has turned totally green and the foam has come down. Now you have to cool it down to room temperature. Now how will you apply this hair oil? Now first take a small bowl or a container and take some oil. Now friends, as you can see, this oil has attained a very deep green color, actually a bottle green color. This is because the extracts of neem, keshushree and curry leaves have settled in to this oil. Now friends, you can add, if you so like, 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules before applying on your hair. Now take a cotton, dip it into the oil and then make sections on your hair and apply that oil with the cotton on your scalp and throughout the length of your hair. Then with your fingertips, just mildly or gently massage that oil into the scalp for 4 to 5 minutes and then leave it as it is for at least 1 hour and then wash off and shampoo. Now friends, this oil is very good and I request you to please prepare this oil and use it regularly and you will get a lustrous, soft and smooth hair. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.